What's up, YouTube? Here's your boy Beijing Built. Back on another video on K24 hatch. Got my 1320 intercooler in the mirror the other day because we're gonna swap it out for this one. This one we're not gonna use because we don't think it's gonna give us enough horsepower. Well, we don't think it's gonna support the horsepower we're looking for. This one is ready for 850. This one was like 450, so that gotta go. Piping gotta finish. Piping gotta get done. Up pipe's gonna get done. This shows parts right there. All the piping is right there. Some more stuff there. That's it. That's it. Street car. Oh, we just did a Type S oil pump. We just took out the big dookie ass shit right here. My man's just put in the Type S oil pump and the 50 VTC cam gear. That shit.